Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pre-workout drink at home without honey. We'll start by exploring key ingredients that boost energy and focus naturally. You'll learn about effective alternatives to artificial additives, focusing on components that support your workout performance. This guide will help you create a personalized, effective, and delicious pre-workout blend using simple kitchen staples. Get ready to power up your fitness routine. For a natural energy kick, consider ingredients like coffee or green tea, providing about 100 to 200 milligrams of caffeine. Creatine monohydrate, add around 1/2 teaspoon, can significantly enhance strength and power during your workout. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of L-tyrosine supports mental focus and alertness. These components work synergistically to prepare your body and mind for intense physical activity, all without needing honey. To boost your performance and stay hydrated, incorporate 3 to 6 grams of L-citrulline. This amino acid helps improve blood flow and muscle pumps. A small pinch of pink Himalayan salt provides essential electrolytes, crucial for maintaining fluid balance. 1/2 cup of coconut water offers natural hydration and potassium. Finish with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for a refreshing taste and a dose of vitamin C, making your drink both effective and enjoyable. When preparing your drink, combine all chosen ingredients with 8 to 12 ounces of cold water. Stir or shake well until everything is fully dissolved. Remember to adjust the amounts of each ingredient based on your personal tolerance and desired intensity. It's best to consume your homemade pre-workout 20 to 30 minutes before your exercise session. This allows ample time for the ingredients to take effect, optimizing your workout performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.